In this video, I'm going to show you how simply trading 15 minutes later each day made a 20%, that's 20,000 on a 100,000 account, 2,000 on a 10,000 pound account since 2018. So what I had noticed when trading, this is one strategy, one currency pair, by the way. So it's just running, it's actually running on an auto trader. I've got this running totally automatically. And what I'd done is when I originally did the analysis, I'd run it from 2020, and I just wanted, I'd starting using this software here. This is Naked Market software, and it's just so easy to run back on things quickly. And I wanted to get a bit more background to see what was happening, because if things were slowing down this year, it had been running a little bit slower, although positively for a good amount of it, but we'd had a few hits, and I just wanted to look at, is there something I'm sort of missing from previous years? Well, there was. I'd had the 2 years previous to where I started testing and actually had slight losses. I say slight losses. If it had continued like that all the way through, I probably would never have even touched it, looked at it. But it's just a timing. Sometimes you get in at the right time on the market and it runs for a while. You can see last year would have had a peak year on this particular strategy, on this one currency. But it's sometimes just a bit of luck in terms of hitting it spot on when you start trading one of your strategies you've seen. All we're looking for is a bit of an edge in the market, and this strategy gives just that. What I decided to do in noticing firstly the losses back here, and then looking at this year, I had a number of trades that had triggered off at 8 o'clock. Now, I've said for years, trading around about the 8 o'clock area, just after 8 o'clock, can be quite risky. We see quite a lot of movement, which triggers into trades and then reverses. Now, this year, it seems to have been hitting more so than I'd noticed for some time. We just literally, the morning sessions have been quieter than the afternoon sessions, and we just get these triggers. I then started going back a step further. The great thing about this analysis, I can go back to the trades list and look at specific times, so I can see when the trade was actually taken. So and what I noticed there, I was having quite a few trades here. Oops, there's one after the other there at 8 o'clock. Another one 8 o'clock there, 8:00 something. There's another 8 o'clock there, just bang on 8 o'clock, just literally triggering them into the new hour. 8:11 somewhere here, I saw just a moment ago. There we go, 8:11. But there were a number of losing trades at that time, and it all sort of, I thought at first perhaps it's just me. 8 o'clock's safer and it's going to be okay post 8 o'clock. Anyway, I decided to retest this and run it back, taking that first 15 minutes out. And this is what I found. So if I just run through here, 8:15 start and 57 to 77. Now, there's a significant difference. Also, it's more attractive over time. I don't care about, it took away some of the winnings last year. There was some really early quick moves there. It took away some of those winners. But as a whole, it's up 20% over that time. And it's a more steady approach. This to me, it's still got a nice curve up here, still working okay. But it's the steadiness of it. I don't like massive drawdowns. The drawdown levels, which was 6%, so okay, it was still a 5% in July there. But there's a lot of those have drawn out all together, and it's made this year look better in terms of if I'd been picking up on it earlier. Now, I haven't hit these figures because obviously only more recently did I start switching it across to 8:15, so I can't claim what I made 20% more because of. It's what you could have done. Now, it's not curve fitting when you're looking back over such a long period. It's not like I'm just trying to curve fit it for a short amount of time, like 3 months or something like this. This is proper in-depth analysis where you're going back there, and maybe it's curve fitting over that longer range, but it's understanding how the markets move. And you can see it day in, day out. If you look at the in morning sessions at 8 o'clock, you so often see a bit of a quick reaction, and then it might retrace. It happens at 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock. It happens often on the hour, so just be aware of that first 10-15 minutes. Now, why 15 minutes? Well, I did the analysis from the trades list here, and I just literally took it from paper, so I could literally spot any of them that had come through, and immediately I could see, well, yep, that in the first 15-minute section, I just blocked it into 15-minute sections. First 15 minutes, that's where the losers were coming. As soon as you get into 9:15 onwards, it was back to at least a 50-50 win ratio, and it's on that because of the risk reward and the targets I'm looking at here. It's profitable thereafter, so I'm not fussed if it just runs along at 50%. So there you go. As I said, I just want to share. It's quite quick. It's something that you might look at in terms of your own results. If you don't record your results, well, you can always go back to your MT4. This is based on effectively an MT4 platform. You'll be able to see your trades like this, print them off, look at them, and see. Is there a particular time when you're actually having a lot of losses? At the beginning of the day, for example, it's a really easy picture to build up there. Okay, I'll leave you with that thought. Now, if you like this video, do feel free to subscribe to my channel and get more videos like this. Now, this is Naked Markets, by the way, so I'm going to I'll put the link to find out more about the backtesting software. Absolutely brilliant. I've got plenty of trading videos that I've done on this as well, so you can see how you might introduce and test your own strategies. It takes very little time once you've spent that short time to build the strategy into the software in the first place. And I mean, being able to run back and test things like this so quickly, it makes it worth doing. And it's not such a chore. You'll just literally go and press some buttons and off you go again. There we go. I hope you find this useful. Take care. Safe trading. Bye for now.